tasted like cooking spray. Like I couldn't taste the eggs under the cooking sprays.
We had IHOP. So we just went to IHOP and it was freaking amazing. But we had to eat it in like 5 minutes because Ariel has class next in like literally 3 minutes and we're like 15 minutes away from the school. So she's just gonna walk into class crying and we think the teacher won't ask questions. How do you feel?
I feel pretty confident in my excuse.
She's just gonna tell her the truth. We went to IHOP.
The Popo.
The Popo?
Okay, if I get arrested, she's not gonna ask any questions.
It may take an extra 10 minutes to get out of here.
Wish us good luck. So we're driving and Faith turned the wrong way and we're now in a town that's like 10 minutes away from our school. So it's time. Ariel's class started 1 minute ago.
Hey guys,
We're sorry this vlog. We didn't vlog actually at all today, but
we're really tired.
it's really hard being a high school student.
I had a great day. I invested in
Honestly, please get the fuck out of here.
him. Honestly, you're being really rude right now.
They're annoying and they stole my shoes!
That was Natalie.
She's a big spender. Spend a little time.
So
Natalie,
basically
today-
everyone's crowding around us now that we're vlogging.
Today, Natalie threatened to withhold Jason from talking to me, and I got really upset. But the whole Natalie is being a stooge
She was.
because she's like, we don't have
I'm on
practice.
top of this thing.
She abused us.
I locked everybody out of the room also. But I'm tired, so sorry, this vlog's so terrible. Thanks for watching. Bye.